While most modern vehicles come equipped with competent car stereos straight from the factory, there is always room for improvement. Thankfully, there are hundreds of options in the aftermarket if you're looking to upgrade your car stereo. Also known as a radio, receiver, or head unit, the car stereo is essentially the centerpiece of any car audio experience. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best car stereo you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Boss Audio Systems BV9358B Car Stereo. Long car rides call for plenty of entertainment to keep everyone comfortable, regardless of how old everyone is. We selected the Boss Audio Systems BV9358B Car DVD player as our honorable mention because we feel it is the best car radio with aux and Bluetooth option for people who take frequent road trips. This double-DIN car stereo receiver features a 6.2-inch screen along with a wide range of multimedia support, Bluetooth connectivity, and features to improve driving safety. We like that you can choose so many media source options on this double-DIN car stereo. These include physical options like CDs, DVDs and SD memory cards up to 32 gigabytes. Meanwhile, you can choose to import media using USB, auxiliary input, or wirelessly with Bluetooth support. And the USB port charges devices too. Number 4. Pioneer AVH Double-DIN Car Stereo. This car stereo also features a 6.2 inches WVGA touch panel display that grants you fast access to all its functions. Hands-free calling and audio streaming are possible thanks to the built-in Bluetooth. It has a USB input that allows you to play music via your Android, or iPhone, or flash drive. It's compatible with Sirius XM, Pandora, and HD radio. Plus, there's a CD player. This car stereo features Pioneer's flagship Mix Tracks technology that mixes music from your playlist with various DJ effects to create an immersive listening experience. You can control music from the Spotify app on your iPhone or Android smartphone directly from the car stereo. Number 3. Boss 616 UAB Multimedia Single DIN Car Stereo. Tune into your favorite radio station using this equipment, which is capable of giving you the best experience. It has earned a considerable reputation from the users by being an outstanding stereo with marvelous features. It allows easy connection to any smartphone through its auxiliary input or the USB port. However, the Bluetooth technology is one of the reasons that make it an excellent product through which you can pair up the device with smartphones instantly. Once paired, you're given total control. This one offers built-in preset EQ. As a result, you can swiftly switch between a variety of styles that suit your taste the most. You can make hands-free phone calls thanks to the wireless tech, reducing the chances of accidents. It allows the streaming of various services like Spotify and Pandora. Number 2. Sony MEX N4200BT Single DIN in-Dash Car Stereo. While the Sony MEX N4200BT might not offer a touchscreen as the double-DIN models can do, we do like that this affordable single-DIN option is still packed with features, making it one of the best single-DIN car stereo options you can choose. We like that this model supports Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary connectivity and also features a CD player giving you a wealth of media source options. Dual Bluetooth connectivity allows multiple devices to pair simultaneously, and the built-in microphone lets you enjoy hands-free calls for safer driving. You'll like that this comes with support for Pandora, iHeartRadio, and Spotify. If theft is a concern, you'll like that this single DIN receiver features a removable faceplate, a common feature among single DIN models. And the included remote also gives other passengers the freedom to make adjustments to stations, volume and equalizer controls while you drive. Number 1. ATOTO A6PF Android Double-DIN Car Stereo. iPhone owners shouldn't be the only ones to find a car stereo receiver that's made especially for them. While iPhone users can use the ATOTO A6 Double-DIN Android Car Navigation Stereo with dual Bluetooth, it's designed to natively support Android devices. We think it's one of the best car stereo receivers for Android users because it was developed using the Android Marshmallow OS and comes with a wide range of media and navigation apps pre-installed such as Pandora, Google Play, Spotify and Google Maps. There's also the Easy Connect app that makes pairing your devices easier. We also nominated it for best quality because of these key features, highlights. Note that this car stereo receiver can work with iPhones as well, but it's more intuitive for Android users. And you can choose between 9 system languages for your display. Android users can use USB, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to connect their devices to this car stereo receiver. The dual Bluetooth design also allows multiple devices to pair simultaneously. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.